Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Geni Datul Samad Kamila with the student ID 25050800081. Today I would like to present a learning module entitled Manufacturing and Electronics Business, which is designed for vocational high school students in grade 10 Phase E. This module is used in the course Basic Electrical Engineering in Meeting 1, where the learning model is problem-based learning, and the learning method is teacher and discussion. The purpose of this module is to introduce students to basic concepts of manufacturing, electronics engineering, and the electronics business process in an industry-oriented context. To begin with manufacturing and electronics business, electronic products such as smartphones, televisions, chargers, and speakers are part of students' daily life. These devices help people communicate, work, and enjoy entertainment. However, electronic products are not made instantly. Before reaching consumers, they must go through several stages, including planning, design, testing, and production. These stages are part of structured manufacturing and electronics business process, which is important to understand in vocational education. And then what is manufacturing? Manufacturing is the process of converting raw materials into finished products through systematic and standardized industrial processes. In the electronic industry, manufacturing involves machines, production tools, and human resources. Operators, technicians, and engineers work together to operate machines, supervise production, and control product quality. Automation systems are also introduced to improve efficiency, reduce errors, and support mass production. Examples of manufactured electronic products include smartphones, televisions, power supplies, and printed circuit boards, or PCB. And then the next is purpose of manufacturing. Manufacturing has several main purposes. The first purpose is mass production, which allows products to be produced in large quantities. The second purpose is consistent product quality, ensuring that every product meets the same standards. The third purpose is cost efficiency, which helps reduce production costs. The last purpose is faster production time, so products can reach the market more quickly. And then what is electronics engineering? Electronics engineering focuses on designing, developing, and testing electronic circuits and systems. The goal is to ensure that electronic devices operate properly and safely. This field uses electronic components such as resistors, capacitors, diodes, transistors, and integrated circuits. These components are used to control current, voltage, and signal flow in electronic devices. Relationship between engineering and manufacturing. Electronics, engineering, and manufacturing are closely connected. Engineering focuses on design and planning, including circuit design, system layout, and technical specifications. Manufacturing focuses on production and assembly, such as component installation, soldering, and product testing. Engineering creates the design while manufacturing transforms the design into a real and usable product. This collaboration is essential to ensure that products function properly and can be produced efficiently. The electronics business process consists of several key stages. The first stage is product idea and design, where market needs are identified and product concepts are developed. The next stage is component selection, which involves choosing suitable electronic components. This is followed by the manufacturing process, where the product is assembled and produced. After that, quality control is conducted to ensure product reliability and safety. The final stage is packaging and distribution, where products are prepared and delivered to customers. This module also includes a student activity. Students are asked to list 5 electronic products around them and identify the possible manufacturing steps for each product. This activity is designed to encourage critical thinking and help students connect theoretical concepts with real life applications. Through this task, students can better understand how manufacturing processes work in everyday products. To summarize, manufacturing converts engineering designs into real, usable products through structured production processes. Electronics engineering focuses on designing and developing electronic systems that function correctly and safely. Business processes connect design, production, and distribution to ensure efficiency, consistent quality, and customer satisfaction. Through reflection questions, students are encouraged to understand the importance of a clear manufacturing and business process in electronics production. The content of this module is based on online learning resources, including the Electronics in Engineering textbook from the 2021 curriculum published by the Ministry of Education. That concludes my presentation of the Manufacturing and Electronics Business module for Vocational High School in Grade 10 Phase E. This module is designed to provide students with a basic understanding of the electronics industry in a structured and practical way. Thank you for the attention.